Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. We're here again on Dave's roof. I just can't get enough of this place. It's absolutely beautiful. Let me show you why. Because while you're there, I'm gonna turn this camera around and see that? That's Mount Olympus up there. I mean, the Mount Olympus Cove. It's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful place up here. So no matter what direction you look, you sit back, you relax, and man, it is just gorgeous. It's quiet, it's peaceful. We'll have to do a model build up here, you know. It'd be a lot of fun. Just, you know, throw some steaks on the barbecue and all that kind of stuff. It'd be great. So maybe I'll just move up here. Who knows? That'd work. Today, we are going to review another Nova because, well, it's Dave's place. So this is the Revell. This is a 69 Nova SS. Now, let's see how much different this is from the Copo that we reviewed a little while back, shall we? I'm seeing some extra different parts here, so let's take a look at this. I'm intrigued. And again, the Revell Nova kits, these more modern kits that they put out, wow, they're awesome. With definitely in my top 10 of the car kits that I would build, or I like to build, let's put it that way. Again, that old Pro that it was a good Nova back in the day. It was a fun kit, but it pales in comparison to the quality of these. You know, your 69 vents. Check out the headliner on that though. Yeah, I love it. That thing's awesome. Let's take a look at the parts. And pieces, parts, and parts is parts. Okay, sorry, I gotta go through all the. So the floor pan is the same for the interior, but on this kit, a little bit different. You've got non-power steering. Non-power steering. I'm just too old, I guess, and weak to, you know, have a non-power steering car. But the headers, look at these headers. I think those headers look awesome, and a dual 4-barrel intake. Very nice. Nice little option. Pretty much the same exhaust as came with the Copo kit. I'm taking this, Dave. I'm going to resin cast.
Oh, look, is that traction bar?
We have traction bars.
Oh, no, not traction bars.
Lee, we have traction bars. Look at that. Look at the traction bars. Traction bars. That screams 70s and early 80s. My favorite era to build. Oh my gosh. That was worth the price of admission right there for me. You know, chassis pan, the same as with the Copo kit. So yeah, this has some different parts in it for sure. Traction bars. Now if it just had side pipes. So here's your bucket seats. Your rear seat. Here is, ooh, this one has the Nova console for the SS. Probably because this is an SS. And it has the SS hood, which the other kit did not have. That's cool. Small block Chevy. Oh, very nice rendition of a small block Chevy with power steering. Okay. So this would be the one I would build. Oh my gosh. This is really cool. Check this out. You've got one of those, I think we used to call them like the L88 hood scoops, but it's a Cal induction hood scoop. Yeah, exactly. And nice, very nice roll bar, not overdone, just seems to be the right size and scale. But look at that, a Cal induction hood. Woohoo!
Chanel got nothing on that.
Wow, that's awesome. Same interior pieces as the Copo Camaro had. And same with the rear end and the multi-leaf suspension, which is correct for the 69 350 Nova SS. And same exhaust and wheel backs and all that as the other kit. So that's really cool. Let's see what else makes this thing different from the Copo that we were looking at a few weeks ago. So that Copo had a couple of different grills, remember? A stock grill and a SS. Well, this is an SS, so it only comes with an SS. But nice dual horn air cleaner, small block valve covers, crappy polycarb, separate door handles and windshield wipers, which is awesome, and great molding on the chrome. This one comes with, I think these are called Nova Rally wheels, if I am not mistaken. But you've got those stock
Chevy Rally wheels.
Chevy Rally wheels.
Chevelle's.
Okay.
Camaro.
So very nice rendition of those, and your SS grills that are separate. And then some dragster type rims, if you want to put those on there. And a couple of better Holley carburetors, but still not great, with a couple of little cute air cleaners. That is the weak spot, is those carburetors in this kit. Other than that, I'd have to give the kit itself like a 9 out of 10 if I was going to rate it that way, simply for the fact that everything else looks awesome in this thing. But those carburetors definitely, well, they're not gonna, no. Okay, I digress. So you get 4 of these. They're the nice solid rubber tires. They're not, not the hollow, well, vinyl, I should say. And they're just black wall, which is fine. But you do get 2 of these drag slicks, and they're kind of hollow. So these tall, not very wide drag slicks, that would be kind of fun. If you want to do a drag version, you can. Do the RuPaul of Novas, the drag version. Yes, anyway. There you go. Here's your windshield, all that kind of stuff. Destructions. 69 SS 2-in-1. Okay. So color stuff, color information. How colorful. Hard to open. Your parts breakdown. Your different configurations for the engine, 2-barrel or 1 4-barrel, 2 4-barrel or 1 4-barrel manifold. Headers are stock, exhaust. Sorry, putting the interior together. And you've got some options for the interior there. Your tires, putting the body on, yada yada, putting your traction bars on. I like that. And then finish things up. You can either build it as a stock SS or as a drag car, and I love that. That looks super Nova. That looks so cool. That looks really neat. So let's see okay. So you got these decals here that are supposed to simulate like the rubber that when you do burnouts and gets up on the side of the car there. That's kind of a neat little decal. A bunch of different license plates and some racing decals to put in the side windows like we used to do. Yeah, that was classic. I guess it runs 12.5 and a quarter.
Not 9.8.
Not 9.8. Not like Dave's. But you do have some decals here for the dashboard. So you either got a stock speedometer, or you got these other gauge faces for the racing version. So that's pretty neat. And then a bunch of Is that what I think that says? Yeah, it says Nova 383. That's really cool. Yeah, your marker light with your engine callouts. I just got to explain. See, I've been doing a lot of painting lately. I mean, a lot of painting. And so I've got some, there's this, white latex all over there. I've been doing a lot of painting. The problem is it gets all over my hands. It falls off my hands, but it does not come off the nails real quick. And I don't ever clean my nails. I'm a guy. So anyway, forgive me. That's why I have the painted nails again. If it's not my 12-year-old daughter, it's my, painting habits. So, okay. That's it for this Nova, folks. So this is the 69 Revell 2-in-1 kit, and I would definitely recommend this thing. Again, it's in my top 10 of favorite model car kits. I kind of classify it as the same because it is pretty much the same as all the other Revell Novas, just little teeny changes here and there, and I like that. That way you can get a different body style, or you can get a different engine, or you can get whatever. But the parts breakdown, the way it's laid out, the quality is all about the same, and it's very, very good. So again, I'd give this like a 9 out of 10 on a rating scale. All right, thanks for joining us. We'll bring you some more craziness here in another week, and we'll see you then.